guys, I forgot to share this during my live today about organization. I really meant to do that. So when I moved here, I decided to use this differently than I had it before. I had done this as an example of a project for back to school, and you can obviously use it for that. Put all kinds of school gear in it on a teacher's desk. But when I moved here and I was like, okay, I need something. I didn't want to hang the item I had before with all my glue in it on the wall. So I decided to put all my different glues. So this section here is for glue sticks. This is like all the E6000 and tacky glue and stuff. And then I have other type of glues over here as well. So for right now, with the amount of glue that I have, this works fine. So it's another idea, and it makes it portable and easy to access, and you can see what you have. Hope you like that idea.